Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to pay with PayPal credit on eBay. Whether you're a frequent eBay buyer or just picking up something special, this quick guide will help you make your purchase smoothly and take full advantage of the flexibility that PayPal credit offers. Let's get right into it. First, log into your eBay account. Make sure you're signed in with the account where you plan to make the purchase. Once you're in, start browsing for the item you want. You can add it to your cart or use the Buy It Now option if you're ready to purchase immediately. After you've selected your item, head to checkout. On the checkout page, you'll see several payment options. Here's the key part. Under the payment method section, look for PayPal credit. Select that option and eBay will automatically connect to your PayPal account. If you're already approved for PayPal credit, you'll be able to choose it directly as your payment method. Then just confirm your payment and that's it. Your order will be processed and you'll see a confirmation message from eBay showing that your payment went through successfully. Now, if PayPal credit doesn't appear as an option, don't panic. This happens sometimes. There are a few reasons why. The seller might not accept PayPal credit for that particular listing. The purchase total might not meet PayPal's minimum requirements. Or PayPal's internal checks may temporarily restrict the option for security or risk reasons. If that happens, double check that your PayPal credit account is active and in good standing. You can also contact PayPal or eBay support. They're usually quick to help and can explain what's going on with your specific transaction. Once everything is set, you'll enjoy the convenience of buy now, pay later, a perfect way to manage your purchases while keeping your budget flexible. And there you go. That's the full updated 2025 method for paying with PayPal credit on eBay. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick, up-to-date online shopping guides. Thanks for watching and happy shopping with PayPal credit.